Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Gerber Suspension NXT Multi-Tool. And yes, it's awesome. This multi-tool pretty much has everything. It's got the spring-loaded pliers, standard pliers, wire cutter. It's got a serrated combination blade, scissors, flathead driver, can opener, bottle opener, all file, ruler, wire stripper, you name it. This thing has it packed into a very cool black multi-tool. Now it's got a little heft to it, which I like. It weighs 6.7 ounces. The closed length is 4.25 inches and the open length 6.25 inches. Now I've always got my pocket knife with me, always, and I don't always carry a multi-tool, but it seems like every time I don't have one, I need one, and this Gerber multi-tool I think will fit the bill for just about everything that I do. This Gerber definitely has some beefy scissors. Now most of these tools are self-explanatory, so I'm going to close out this video with some close-ups of this Gerber multi-tool. If you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.